A successful life does not just come by chance. You have to plan for it and execute it. Let's roll our reasoning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. You know we do it already on Friday, Financial Corner. Today I'm going to share with you 7 goals that you should try to accomplish in order to set up your life, to relax and have a smooth life, and not just a smooth life for you, but after you have passed away, a smooth life for your loved ones. Alright, so let's relax. A Financial Corner, right? Oh, just relax, right? So number one thing that you need to do is to have a personal budget, right? Because if you don't know where you are financially, then you cannot prepare for the future. You have to know where you are in the present. You have to know what you're doing with your expense. Where's the money going, right? In order to plan for the future. So therefore, you need to set up a personal budget. And if you don't know how to set up a personal budget, watch the YouTube video in the card above. That personal budget is going to assist you to make better financial decisions and to save your money properly. Second goal that you need to try to achieve is to, I would say, once per year, to check your credit report. Why is this important? Let me give you an incident that happened to me before. I was trying to take out a credit facility, right? And the bank said to me that, here what? You have an outstanding loan from a specific bank, right? And I said to them that I don't have a loan, right? They say, sure? I said, yes. What actually happened is that I paid off the loan, but because of clerical error, the bank did not close out the loan, giving me a bad credit report. So the loan continued, right? And saying that I have all this interest ramped up because I made a lump sum payment to clear it off. So that is just one scenario. You want to check your credit report for your name spelling correctly, etc., right? You want to know your credit score. You want to know how you can bargain for interest rates when you're taking out a loan, right? And we're saying loan, we're talking good type of loans here now, not the bad ones, right? So you want good type of loans like a mortgage, right? You want to know how good your credit score is. That way you can bargain for loans, right? Number 3, and this is a very important one. You should try to ensure that you save up an emergency fund. This is crucial. My recommendation is to, whatever your salary is monthly, try to have 6 to 12 months of your salary, right? So just in case of a car accident, God forbid, right? Hurricane, etc., right? Getting laid off, redundant, etc., you have that rainy day fund, right? Just in case of any misfortune events. So that is extremely crucial as a goal that you need to have in life, because the last thing you want to do is that when an emergency happens, you rush out to get a loan, put yourself in more debt when you should strive to be financially free. Number 4, and this is something that myself has been doing for the past couple of years. When I was younger, I didn't really take it that important. But at number 4, you should try to boost your retirement savings. Because the last thing you want to do is that when you're up in age, you're working hard to get active income. When you're in retirement, you should be getting passive income. Does that make any sense? If you're in a 9-to-5 job, right, where they already pay your pension for you, what you want to do is to go to a financial institution. So you can go to a financial institution, ask a licensed financial analyst or a licensed financial advisor, I should say, on the type of retirement benefits that they have, right? You want to invest money into an additional retirement fund, right? Don't just rely on the 9-to-5 one only. And if a 9-to-5 job doesn't have one, that is more incentive for you to go out and get that retirement fund. It is extremely important. Number 5, you want to try to pay off bad type of debts. And if you don't understand the difference between the bad type of debts and the good type of debts, check out the YouTube card above with that video. It's a really great one. So the bad type of debts are like credit cards, any like a flossing thing. You know what I mean? And to simple put, the bad type of debts is any debt that does not generate income. Let me go again. Any debt that doesn't generate income, right? So as I said, you could just watch the video that's in the card above, right? And it will show you a deeper look between the good type of debts and the bad type of debts, right? So you want to clear off the bad type of debts. Get that out of the way quickly, because you want to free up that cash inflow that is coming in monthly. That way you can use that cash inflow to invest in the financial market, for example, to invest in real estate or any other business that you'd like to invest in, right? So it's very important that you free up the monthly cash flow. Number 6, life insurance. Yes, I said it. I remember one time a man told me that I don't believe in life insurance. Why I should take out life insurance to get a payment when I'm dead? Actually makes sense, right? And myself, I'm gonna be honest, I'm also anti-life insurance, because I think it makes more sense to like just invest your money in the financial market and just put your loved ones on the instruments. So in case anything happens to you, they get it. But why not have an additional one? Does that make sense? So you invest your money in the financial market, attach your loved one's name to it, and also have a life insurance. So that way, God forbid, anything happens to you, and we all know that death is inevitable, your loved ones will be okay after you have passed along. So you're setting generational wealth. Does that make any sense? So this is something that you need to strive to achieve. Number 7, and I need every parent to just focus on this part, what I'm saying right now, right? Ensure that you write a will for your children. I've seen it countless times around the world. After mother and father has passed along, then it's total chaos for the assets, right? People kill people over assets, people go into courts over assets, and so on. Parents, I'm talking to you. Yes, you parents, fathers, mothers, I'm speaking to you. Do not wait until it's late. Write a will and protect your children. Hope you guys got some value from these tips. And if there's anything in personal financial growth that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm out.